In a world that's ever-evolving where opportunities are limitless, there lies a realm of boundless potential. Welcome to the power of freelancing. Imagine a life where time is not just a countdown, but a canvas waiting to be painted. Freelancing liberates time, allowing you to craft your own schedule and reclaim moments that truly matter. The power of freelancing extends beyond boundaries. No longer confined by walls, you step into a world of unlimited horizons. Your skills become your passport to a global playground. Creativity knows no chains. With freelancing, you unleash the power of creative independence. Your ideas take flight, unbridled and untamed, shaping the narrative of your professional journey. In the virtual realm of freelancing, connections are not just transactions. They are collaborations that transcend distances. Every project becomes a testament to the impact you can create together. Freelancing is not just a career, it's a lifeline. It empowers lives, allowing you to define success on your terms, to contribute to your community, and to build a legacy that echoes beyond the screen. As we conclude this journey into the power of freelancing, remember it's not just a career choice. It's a lifestyle, a revolution that empowers you to unlock your true potential. Join the community of freelancers shaping the future, and let the world witness the extraordinary impact of your work.